Hi, my name is Barry Schwartz, and this is a ShulCloud video demo of how the online member portal works. Every single member who you give access to can have a login to the website. Based on their login credentials, they'll either have access to be administrators or they'll have access to the normal member portal. This is what the normal member portal looks like. They can log in by clicking on My Account over there, or they can click on the My Account within your navigation elements. This is what the My Account section looks like for a member. They can see their recent transactions, their profile, their subscriptions, either email or paper subscriptions, the members in their account, and the yard sites in their account. They're also able to access the member directory as well. First thing I want to show you is how to edit your profile. This is a member updating their own profile. They click on View and Edit Profile, and it brings up their profile. They can update their email address, their password, their own permissions, their member type, their name, their Hebrew name in Hebrew with a Hebrew keyboard, or they can type it in English. Their Kohen Levi Yisrael, Bar Mitzvah Parsha, Hebrew and English birthday, it converts it automatically for you, their marital status, their contact information with multiple addresses if they needed, business information, and other information like school name. They can also manage the profile. If the primary member is logged in and they have permissions to do so, they can actually add new members under their own profile. So they could go to add a new member for themselves. So they have a child, they get married, you can add a new member over here. You can give them access to log in, you can even give them access to billing on your account or administrate your family account. And you put in their information in here, the birthday. So this happens if you add kids to your account, you get married, you add a wife to your account, and so forth. In addition, you're able to update your yurt sites. So if you go back here, I'm able to manage my yurt sites by clicking on Modify Yurt Sites. I can add a new yurt site here quickly by clicking Add Yurt Site. I can enter the name, the Hebrew name I can type in as well. And you're able to engender, obviously, the English date. You could observe the English version of it or observe the Hebrew version. And it converts it automatically for you. You can add the relationship. You could say this is father of Ratzi Nedwin, and you hit save, and it automatically saves that yard site in here. The beauty of this, it actually sends it to the data all throughout the cloud, and you're able to see that on the calendars, be reminded via the mailing system that there's a yard site coming up. You're able to see it on your own calendar. So it's used for a lot of purposes, from the Gabayim using it to the executive director using it for billing purposes or mailing purposes. It's used throughout the platform. Managing your subscriptions is easy as well. Based on the number of subscriptions you have in the platform, you're able to click on Manage Subscriptions, and you're able to say, I want these, I don't want those, and you're able to check them off and on. And finally, you're able to actually manage your transactions. You can view more transactions here. And within the view, you're actually able to filter by more detail. So I'm able to click on Show Filters, increase the date range to more data. I could just show charges or payments only open items. I hit Submit. It'll bring up that list of payments and invoices that I have under my account. And I'm able to hit Submit Payment to pay online. And I could pay by just clicking Submit and hitting the payment options. We support Authorize.net, and we support PayPal and other payment gateways. This site has to actually set up a payment gateway. It hasn't, but you're able to submit payments either using a credit card or a PayPal account, and automatically syncs up with everything. So that's the My Account section for a member to see, and they're able to manage their billing, manage their profiles, manage the members and yard sites in their profiles, as well as see online directories and much more within this Manage Profile section. Thanks so much for watching. More details at ShulCloud.com.